In this short tutorial, I will show you how to send disappearing photos on Telegram. Disappearing photos are temporary and automatically delete themselves after a set amount of time. It's a great way to share photos without worrying about them being saved or shared by others. To get started, open up the Telegram app and then tap Chats. After that, select the chat with the person you want to send a disappearing photo to. Then tap on the paperclip icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. And then select the photo that you want to send. What you want to do next is tap on this button, and then choose how long the media will be kept after it's opened by the recipient. For example, you can set it to 3 seconds, meaning that after 3 seconds of opening the photo, it will vanish from the chat. And then simply send the photo. Once the recipient opens the photo, they will only have that specific amount of time to view it before it disappears from the chat. This feature is easy to use and gives you more control over your media sharing on Telegram. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.